Hello everyone. Today we'll continue with the eighth part of the Glimpses of the Past. We already have completed seven parts of this chapter. The eighth part is about revolt. The first war of independence is also called as. This happened in 1857. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. Outbreak means to have a clash between people. So there was a violent outbreak between people in Meerut. The sepoys marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. All the soldiers, sepoys here means soldiers, all of them they went to Delhi, and over there they were praising their king, Emperor Bahadur Shah. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. Sore means not to have good thoughts about someone. So they were very angry. They were going against the Britishers at this moment. The white man's rule must end. Yes, we will help you. The people now were thinking to end the British rule, and people were getting united to make this happen. The ninth part is the fight for freedom. This too took place in 1857. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Bitter, as you know, again, sore and bitter are the same things. Not to have good thoughts about someone, to be very angry over someone. So, even here, the ruler of Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, she was also very angry. She said, "The white man has taken away my kingdom." They joined the upsurge against the foreigner. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, "Rise, brothers, rise, the Angrez is ruining our land." Even here in Faizabad, the leader told the people to get united because the Britishers were ruining their country and their traditions. They joined the upsurge against the foreigner in Lucknow, as well as the people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Top, "We should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence." The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist, and at that moment he knew that he was to die, and so he said, he gave a tribute to Mother Ganga that this was his last offering. That means he did the last thing for his mother country at that time. All these things shows us that Britishers, they tried to exploit our country, and how the